Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located under the paneling. Remove the battery box cover. Remove the plastic rivets indicated here. A special tool may be required, but these rivets in particular can be removed by carefully applying pressure with a small flathead screwdriver. Once the rivet is raised, you can safely pull it out with some force. Remove the panel beside the hydraulic arm. Remove the fasteners. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AF5190 filter into the housing. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Re-engage the fasteners. Replace the top panel by aligning it with the rivet holes. The rivets can be reinstalled when both panels are aligned. If you removed it, reinstall the battery access panel. Once all of the rivets are installed and the panels are secure, close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.